Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it's great to be here tonight. Anna, I'm excited, and you look stunning tonight.
Thank you, Dwayne. I'm also very excited. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We've got a great program lined up, and everyone involved has worked so hard to get to where we are tonight. For their individual introductions, please welcome back on stage your beautiful contestants once again.
Contestant number 1.
Ua luas kulunei o tau sanga, maolo lango ina, a rematch fashion. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, honorable charges, distinguished guests. My name is Debbie Terra Boxer Esene, hail from the villages of Siufanga, Salailua in Savai, and Fastoota. I'm 20 years old, and I'm proudly sponsored by Rematch Fashion.
Debbie Teresene is from Panga on the big island of Savai. She's studying towards a Bachelor of Education at the National University of Samoa. Debbie is the eldest of 4 children. According to Debbie, she's tall, has a good personality, she's caring, lovely, and competent.
Rematch Fashion. And please welcome on stage contestant number 2.
Samoa, ile paia male mamalu ua awhia mai ile neipo. O loo wingoa o Agnes Warren, e lua se fulu manetasi o tausanga, o te sau mai alalafanga o Vaoala ma tau ese, ma o loo lango ina au ele Veronicas. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Agnes Warren. I am 21 years of age. I am from the villages of Vaoala and Tauese, and I am proudly sponsored by Veronicas. Thank you.
Agnes holds a diploma in tourism from the National University of Samoa. She is a policy assistant at the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries. She enjoys spending time with older people as it helps her to learn from their experiences. She also likes spending time at home with her family as well as with her friends.
Thank you, Miss Veronicas. Please welcome on stage contestant number 3.
Silasi Samoa. Oa'u o Isabel Chadwick. Ua lua sepulu ma le lua nei au tau sanga. O te sao mai e lalafanga o lotua nu'u mai lele ma malifa. Oa'u o lo sui tau vanu meratolu o lo langolango inga ma alosi au e le Samoa local styles. Special good evening to you ladies and gentlemen. My name is Isabel Chadwick. I am 22 years old and I hail from the villages of Lotuanu'u, Vailele and Malifa. Tonight I am your contestant number 3 and I am proudly sponsored by the Samoa local styles. Tapuai mai o le ao tampai atu.
Isabel was born in Samoa and left at the age of 12 to be educated in New Zealand. According to Isabel, it was her strong cultural values as a Maitai Samoa that led her to return home to look after her elderly father. Isabel dedicates her participation to all young Samoan women that no matter where you are, always hold strong to your cultural values.
Thank you, Miss Samoa Local Styles. Please welcome on stage contestant number 4.
Mama malo Samoa. Ole ele malia I vai. Ole maota e tulu I tau. Ramosa lilo na whaavai papa. Ai tawia ina ia o whaatalo whaatu. Ile paia lasi. Wow fia mai. Ai mai sile paia I whamasino. Talofa lava. Ai au ina ia o whailo lo unei tanta. Ina nei tau mate whaapalo ona avea I lea mo ulape I le nei afi. O lo ingoa o mulianga tele Renera Thompson. O te sau mai a lalawhanga a whale ula, le au waa, ma totua, ma sa talo I whale a lili. Ma o lango ina au, e alo ma whanau o si tātou atu nuu pele o Samoa I Ausitalia. Manuia lo whaasaunga Samoa vi ia le atua. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests and honorable judges. My name is Muliangatele Renera Thompson. I am your contestant number 4 and a Miss Samoa Australia. Whawhetai lava.
Muliangatele Renera grew up in Samoa and Australia. She is an investment advisor. She is an active supporter of the Salvation Army, MS, and Dress for Success charities. She is passionate about promoting and representing her Samoan culture. Miss Samoa Australia strongly believes ole ala ile pule ole tautua. To gain authority, one must serve.
Thank you, Miss Samoa Australia. Please welcome on stage contestant number 5.
Fanueli, ua lua se fulu male lua o tausanga, o te sau mai a lalafanga o lalo manu, salua fata, vai vasetai, to o matangi, mafale la tai. O lo lango ina au, e lau company in Siwa, a Pia Insurance Company. Greetings, Samoa. My name is Susana Fanueli. I am 22 years old, and I come from the villages of Lalomanu, Saluafata, Vaivasatai, To'omatangi, and Falelatai. I am honored to be sponsored by Samoa's favorite insurance company, Apia Insurance. Thank you.
Susana is from a family of 6 sisters and 3 brothers. She is a member of the Whakasa Church in Tu'omatangi, where she loves participating in youth and church activities. She is a graduate of Victoria University of Wellington and is currently an auditor at the Office of the Auditor and Chief Auditor. Office of the Controller and Chief Auditor. Susana loves exploring new opportunities and challenges and hopes to be a good role model for her family and Samoa.
Thank you, Ms. Apia Insurance Company. Please welcome on stage contestant number 6.
Born in Samoa and raised in New Zealand. She fell in love with our culture after being part of the winning Avondale College Samoan Culture Group in New Zealand. Tegan holds a degree in sociology and psychology. She is a youth development officer at the Ministry of Women, Community and Social Development. Tegan is the secretary of the Rotary Club of Apia, and she attends Apia Harvest Center.
Thank you, Ms. Mahelani's Island Wear. Please welcome on stage your contestant number 7.
O te saumela la fanga, o sa fotu, male tui sa vai. Ua lua se fulu male tasinei o tausanga. Maolo lango ina, ele International Immigration Travel. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anastasia Titi Smith. I'm hailed from the villages of Safotu and the Tui Savai. 21 years of age, and I'm proud to represent my beautiful sponsor, International Immigration Travel, FAFTAI.
Anastasia is the second contestant who hails from the Big Island of Savai. According to Anastasia, she's most honored to accept the privilege of being a part of this prestigious event. She is the reigning Miss Safotu Catholic Youth, and she's keen to express various aspects of our rich culture, both regionally and beyond.
International Immigration Travel. Please welcome on stage your final contestant, contestant number 8.
Talo palaba, lo watunu pele o Samoa. O lo ingoa o Ceuta Tia Brown, ua Luis Potasi nei o tausanga o te sao mai lalafanga o moa moa, lalo vaya, o vai moso masa fotu. Mai olo o lango ina au e la vas kutua. Greetings to you all, my beautiful Samoa. My name is Ceuta Tia Brown, 21 years of age, and I'm hail from the villages of Lalavaya, Baimboso, and Momoa. Thank you.
Ceuta Tia loves helping others, and through her involvement with Rima Bible College, she has learned to appreciate life. In future, Ceuta Tia wants to be an ambassador for the less fortunate children and believes that with God, anything is possible. She hopes that through her participation, she will learn more and inspire other young ladies to stand up for a good cause.
Thank you, Ms. Lavash Couture. And there you have it, Samoa, your 8 contestants vying for the title of Miss Samoa. At this point in time, would like to welcome all our visitors from abroad. Welcome to Samoa, the treasured islands of the years. Ladies and gentlemen, our theme once again this year is My Samoa. And with that, it's time to bring the contestants back on stage, this time in their traditionally inspired attire.
Introducing our first contestant for the traditionally inspired attire category, Miss Remax Fashion, Debbie Tere Eseni.
Miss Remat's attire is made of the laua, signifying purity at heart and peace. White is symbolic of the coming of Christianity, which was introduced by the missionaries, and has since been widely used in church wear. The laua bark, painted in orange, signifies Samoa's sunsets. The black sinnet designs represent ebony skies, dark, billowing clouds of hurricanes. And as the saying goes, after the storm comes the calm. Her flower is made of the afa and lawa'a, which signify the importance of Samoan culture in society. Her attire is a tribute to all our people who lost their personal belongings, lives, and homes to Cyclone Evan. This attire was put together and designed by Remat's Fashion.
on stage contestant number 2, Miss Veronica's Agnes Warren.
Miss Veronica's attire depicts the richness and beauty of Samoa, its land and its resources. The outfit is made from indigenous materials, and its colors show the various features that make Samoa beautiful. The bodice is made from pandana sleeves, dried and specially treated by her mother to bring out the soft cream shade and silky texture. The top part is lined with the seeds of the pu'a, an indigenous plant that grows along the coastline. The seeds have been polished with its shiny natural black color, resembling large black pearls. The skirt is decorated with the brown shells of the petau seeds. Petau is known for its medicinal value, and the shells depict the beautiful lands of Samoa. The lower end is made from the bark of the beach hibiscus, or fau, and bandana sleeves. Dyed with natural colors, they depict Samoa's lush flora and fauna. The white and blue depict the beautiful sandy beaches and Pacific Ocean.
Thank you, Miss Veronica. Please welcome on stage contestant number 3, Miss Samoa Local Style, Isabel Chadwick.
Isabel's attire is titled Ole Mitimitanga Ole Pe'a, the pride of Samoan tattooing. In Samoan society, the pe'a and malu are viewed with cultural pride and are a hallmark of manhood and womanhood. The top represents the traditional art of tattooing being suppressed with the arrival of Christianity and is showcased by the pe'a being covered. Samoa has held on to this art form, and Samoan master tattooers were instrumental in reviving traditional tattooing elsewhere in the Pacific. Revealing the bottom part symbolizes the completion of the tattoo. The ceremony is now The ceremony is now complete. Samman pe'a, the holder has now been blessed with the gift of the pe'a. They can now show off their tribal marks with rites of passage as all taboos have been lifted. The pe'a has been a uniting element. Wangatasi lalo lela'e. All patterns depicted originate from tatau designs. Isabel displays all traditional attributes in one attire reflecting the pe'a together with natural Samoan resources. Wasa awele ala nga upu. Tafia fale alili fua.
Thank you, Miss Samoa Local Style. Let's welcome on stage contestant number 4, Miss Samoa Australia, Muliangatele Renera Thompson.
Pulianga Taylor Renera's theme for the attire is Elele le Toloa e Ma'au i le Vai. The laua depicts our land, the foundation and wealth of our country, hence her being drawn back to her island nation. The malu, tattooed with endurance and self-sacrifice, represents courage and honor in the identity of a Samoan woman. The tatau signifies the rise of a Samoan man to becoming the Samoan warrior. It is an honor we treasure these special gifts from our ancestors. The designs are painted with black lama. The sinnet is the strongest of our natural fibers. Dyed in black lama, it represents strength and roots of Aunga Tukulanga, or genealogy. The coconut shell buttons represent the sa'o, or head of each family, attributing leadership, unity, and prosperity in guiding his ainga in all aspects of our fa'a Samoa. Wherever you are in this world, you will always be drawn back to your heritage. The attire was designed by Imo Levi and inspired and put together by Sinta's Collection of Samoa.
Thank you, Miss Samoa, Australia. Please welcome on stage contestant number 5, Miss Api Insurance Company, Susana Vanueli.
The Victorian era of British history was a long period of peace, prosperity, refined sensibilities, and national self-confidence for Britain. Victorian influence was brought upon Samoa's shores when the British arrived. Along with religion, politics, and language came the fashion influences, with garments that adorned women covering from head to toe. Today, Susana's garment is inspired by the designs of Victorian age, made from a very special siapo, aged over 50 years, a family heirloom kept and owned by her grandmother. In aligning with the theme, My Samoa, the designs and parts of the garment are stripped into fragments, symbolizing the decolonization process that our people went through to attain independence. Susana symbolically strips layers of these ideologies to reveal the independent and free woman she is today, as she makes a stand to reclaim her roots, her lineage, and her Samoan culture.
Thank you, Miss Api Insurance Company. Let's welcome contestant number 6, Miss Mahealani Island Wear, Tegan Martha Moore.
Tegan's attire depicts her journey, perhaps your journey, our journey as Samoans from humble beginnings to where we are today. Made from the laua, the garment is a masterpiece, incorporating all resources found within our environment, both the ocean and land. The garment adopts modernity and symbolizes that Samoa is indeed moving forward as other Western countries. However, our culture and traditions are maintained and dear to our people. The mother of pearl shells adorned to the top part represent the rich culture that our people carried with them as they migrated the high seas. The black feathers remind us of the dark ages when there were indigenous wars and differences. Spirally adorned downwards following her couture, the feathers depict the roots of Samoans' migration until settlement and right down to calling our own My Samoa. This garment is a creation of Mahealani's island wear.
Thank you, Miss Mahealani's Island Wear. Please welcome on stage contestant number 7, Miss International Immigration Travel, Anastasia T.T. Smith.
Ia lava Anastasia Fausia lona la e le lo ba e te wina i le sisi pae. E lua lava lanu a filifilia Anastasia. Le lo ba e mu. O le faatusa leo le toto lo tatou faola na maningi ona o a tatou anga sala. Le sisi pae. O le failonga lea o le loto mama ma le loto mawalalo. E ala i le faa mangaloina o a tatou anga sala. Lea ofu na tūwhātasia la mai keiti mo nanu malana sui Pautasi Design So le tamaitai ya Emi Pautasi.
Thank you, Miss International Immigration Travel. And our final contestant in her traditionally inspired attire, please welcome on stage contestant number 8, Miss Lavage Couture, Seota Tia Stowers Brown.
Seutatia's attire depicts how the past has shaped today's world through fashion. Made entirely of siapo, coconut sinnet, lopa, and seashells. The creation is inspired by a young woman's strength and determination to succeed while embracing her love for her family. The bodice is created from tapa and adorned with coconut sinnet, lopa, and seashells representing Samoa's many natural resources. From the hip to the knees is a collaboration of Samoan print, siapo carefully painted to showcase the many designs of our beautiful Samoan mamanu. The creation was designed with a thought of modern influence in our culture, hence why it is fun and suitable for the young Tamaitai Samoa wishing to pursue a fashion career. To complete the outfit is the matching headdress, representing the role of a young woman as the protector and carer of her younger siblings and friends, a storyteller and mediator for her family. This was designed and put together by Tito Schmidt-Stowers of Lavage Couture.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring all our contestants back on stage one more time in their traditionally inspired attires.